Next topic is a workability. The workability is the easy which the concrete mix can be compacted as completely as possible while using the lowest possible water cement ratio. Or workability is ability of fresh, that is plastic form concrete mix to fill the form or mold properly with desired work and without reducing the concrete quality. Workability is a quality of press concrete, that is plastic concrete, fill the form or mold properly with their desired work vibration and without reducing the concrete quality is called workability. Water for lubrication. The function of water is also lubricate the concrete so that concrete can be compacted with specified effect forthcoming at site of work. The lubrication required for handling concrete without segregation, for placing without loss of homogeneity, for compacting with the amount of effects forthcoming, and to finish the sufficiently easily. The presence of certain quantity of water is of virtual importance. The factors affecting of workability. First one is here water content, mixed proportions, size of aggregates, shape of aggregates, surface texture of aggregate, grading of aggregate, use of admixtures. Water content, mixed proportions, size of aggregates, shape of aggregates, surface texture of aggregates, grading of aggregates, use of admixtures. Water cement ratio, water content or water cement ratio. More of water cement ratio, more will be workability of concrete. Since the simply adding the water into the particle lubrication is increased. High water content results in higher fuelity or greater workability. Increased water content also result in bleeding. The another effect in the increase in water content can also that cement slurry will escape through joint of formwork. More water can be added the provided a correspondingly higher quantity of cement is also added to the keep the water cement ratio constant so that the strength remains the same mixed proportions. The higher aggregate cement ratio, less quantity of cement paste is available for providing the lubrication per unit surface of aggregates. Hence, the mobility of aggregates is restrained. On another hand, in case of rich concrete with lower aggregate cement ratio, more paste is available to make the mix cohesive and fatty to give better workability. Size of aggregate and surface texture. The bigger size of aggregates, the less the surface area, hence the less amount of water is required for wetting surface and less matrix or paste is required for lubricating surface to reduce the internal friction. The greater size of aggregates, porous aggregates. The greater size of aggregates, less water is required to lubricate it. The extra water is available for workability. The porous aggregate required to more water compared non-absorbent aggregates to achieve same degree of workability. Shape of aggregates, grading of aggregates. That is three divided category: well graded, poorly graded, and gap graded. The well graded aggregate is a one of which the least amount of voids in the given volume and higher the workability. The other fact becomes constant. The total voids are less. The excess space is available to give better lubricating effect. With excess amount to paste, the mixer becomes the cohesive and fatty, which prevents segregation of particles. Use of admixtures, chemical admixture, air entering agents, and fine pozzolanic material to have weather conditions also involved. The evaporation is increased, thus the workability is decreased. Wind is moving the greater velocity. The evaporation increase, reduce the amount of water and unlimited reducing workability. Measurements of workability, slump test, compaction factor test and flow table test, flow test, VB consistometer test. Okay, thank you.